Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete your Patreon account. So all you have to do is just log in to your Patreon account on patreon.com. Then once you're logged in, just head over to privacy.patreon.com/policies, and you will then be redirected to Patreon privacy policy page. And from here, just click on this make a privacy request. Then you have two choices here. Just click on erase. You're going to need to erase your personal data. And from here, Patreon will ask you about permission, just allow. And from here, Patreon will then delete all your personal data that we have, or rather, they have from you. And just read this. You can then proceed to confirm request. And from there, Patreon will delete all the information that they've kept about you, and that includes your Patreon account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!